Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that many coffee lovers might find essential for their daily brew, the Cuisinart DGB-400CF replacement grind and brew carafe. We found this product online, and you'll find a link in the description below to check the latest price and availability. The Cuisinart DGB-400CF is a genuine OEM replacement carafe designed specifically for Cuisinart's grind and brew coffee makers, particularly the DGB-400 and DGB-400NAS models. If you own one of these coffee makers, you know how crucial it is to have a carafe that fits perfectly. This carafe not only ensures a snug fit but also optimal brewing performance, which is vital for getting the most out of your coffee beans. One of the standout features of this carafe is its generous 12-cup capacity. Whether you're brewing a single cup for yourself or preparing a full pot for family and friends, this carafe has you covered. Its size makes it ideal for daily use, family gatherings, or even entertaining guests. You won't have to worry about running out of coffee when you have a carafe that holds enough for everyone. Durability is another key attribute of the DGB-400CF. Crafted from heat-resistant glass, this carafe can handle high brewing temperatures while preserving the flavor and clarity of your coffee. This means that every cup you pour will taste just as good as the first, no matter how many brews you make in a row. Another thoughtful design element is the ergonomic handle and pour spout. The handle is designed for a comfortable grip, allowing for smooth and controlled pouring with minimal drips, an essential feature for any coffee carafe. This makes it not only functional but also user-friendly, especially during those busy mornings when every second counts. So, who is this carafe suitable for? If you're a coffee enthusiast who enjoys fresh brewed coffee at home, this replacement carafe is a must-have. It's perfect for households with multiple coffee drinkers or for anyone who frequently entertains guests. Moreover, if you've experienced a broken or chipped carafe in the past, this genuine replacement ensures that you can continue to enjoy your grind and brew coffee maker without any interruptions. In practical terms, the DGB-400CF is not just a replacement, it enhances your overall coffee making experience. Imagine starting your day with a fresh pot of coffee, easily pouring it into your favorite mug, and enjoying that rich aroma wafting through your kitchen. Or picture hosting a brunch where you can serve coffee directly from this elegant carafe, impressing your guests with both style and functionality. Overall, the Cuisinart DGB-400CF replacement grind and brew carafe is an excellent addition for anyone who values quality coffee and convenience in their brewing routine. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.